welcome to my YouTube channel. We are finally here. The sun is right in my face. This is my first setup that I've tried. So if the lighting is really bad, then I'm going to improvise later. But it just rained like 5 minutes ago and the sun is already... I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. I do makeup videos. It's not something that I do professionally, but I do it because I like doing it. Today I'm going to be doing a video about how I do my base, and I'm in the shade MAC NC45. That's for your reference. After searching on YouTube for I don't know for how long, I just realized that there is no one who's created, or at least I haven't come across anyone who's created how to do your base makeup for a shade that I am in. So I thought, why not I film this video and put it out there to show you guys how I do my base. So I have a mirror here and I have a mirror here as well, and you will be seeing me looking to my right or to my left, whatever is convenient. I'm gonna grab myself a hand mirror as well so that I can do my eyes better. So let's get started. I've already moisturized my face with the Plum goodness. I don't know if you can see this, this cream, deep moisturizing cream, shop moisturizer with it. I have a lot of pigmentation around my lips and my eyes. In order to get rid of that, I use an orange tinted concealer, and today we're gonna go with the MAC concealer. It's called the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer in the shade NW45. So I am just going to, these are some of my favorite concealers. They do the job really well. So I'm just going to dab that around here, very little amount, and over here, and also on all of my spots. Wherever I think I have a bit of darkness, I just spot it around over there. Then I'm gonna blend it out with this beauty sponge. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this MAC Studio Fix Prep and Prime so that it's just a little bit moist. Now that we've blended out the concealer, I think my skin looks much more even right now, and we're gonna go in with the foundation. I usually use the MAC NC45. These are the empties that I have. I'm gonna return those empty bottles when I have 6 of them for a free lipstick. But for today, I'm gonna go in with the MAC NC46, which I got as a tester. I wanted to try it out because I had tanned one shade probably, so I wanted to try this out, and I haven't worn makeup in a long time because we are all stuck at home. So I'm gonna be trying this today. So let's see. Usually what I like to do is take the foundation at the back of my hand and then like to just spread it all out with my finger, and then just dot it on my face like that. I don't go around my eyes a lot because we're gonna conceal that after a bit. So I'm gonna go in with the same beauty blender, but gonna use the other side of it, and I'm going to damp this also with my Prep and Prime. go in with the concealer. So today I'm going to be using the MAC concealer, in the same variant as the previous one, but this is in the shade NC45. Little around my lips because if I go in too much then it gets too ashy. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller beauty blender, and I'm going to damp this also with my prep and prime, and just do that and then start blending it up. I'm going to contour my face now with a cream contour. For that, I'm going to be using the... Okay, where is it? I just picked it up. Where is it? You serious? There it is. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the shade Truffle. I'm gonna start from here and start contouring right here. Start placing the contour on my face here, and I'm gonna contour a bit over here as well, just to give my face a little bit of structure. That's it, and a little bit under my chin. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Just want to go with upward motion like this to blend it out all out. So my hair should have tied it. Set my concealer with a powder. I've always been a big fan of the MAC Studio Fix Compact, and I usually use it in a shade light. This is the one. This is my second or third one, which is almost done. I've been using this from Sephora in the shade Cinnamon Canelle. I'm just gonna use a brush and set my under eye concealer. I do not use powder all over my face because my face is already very textured, and powder usually sticks on to your textured part of your face. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my cream contour that I've applied with a powder contour. For that, I'm gonna be using one from Morphe. This is called the Contour. It's got like a powder contour and a shimmer. That's usually how I do my base, and I am not going to show you guys how I would do my eyes and my eyebrows in this video, but I'm going to quickly do that and get back. That's the final look, you guys. Did you notice I've not used a dark color to fill my brows, and my eyes are very subtle peachy shadow, and I've used a bright red lipstick to go with my outfit. I'm actually trying to click some pictures today. Some idea that I saw, and I wanted to click pictures. If it does come out well, I've actually lost the light here, but I'm still gonna try and click those pictures, and if they do come out well, then you can see them on my Instagram. So that's it about this video. I hope you like it. This is my first ever makeup video for YouTube, and I hope you like. Bye, I'll see you next time.